Hey, beautiful family. Namaste and welcome back to my channel. Stay blessed, stay happy. Today we are starting a new series called The Divine Tales. Here we'll explore the wonderful stories from our ancient scriptures. And today we're beginning with a special one. How Hanuman got the name Bajrangi. Let's go. Bajrangi is mentioned in Hanuman Chalisa. Mahabir Bikram Bajrangi. The word Bajrangi comes from the Sanskrit word Vajra Angi, which means one whose body is as strong as Indra's Vajra or thunderbolt. The word Bajrangi is the Awadhi word from the Sanskrit word Vajrangi, the language in which Goswami Tulsidas ji wrote the Hanuman Chalisa. This word Bajrangi shows us how incredibly strong and resilient Hanumanji is, both physically and spiritually. When Hanumanji was young, he was very powerful, but also very mischievous. He loved playing pranks on the rishis and sages. At that time, he was known as Maruti. One such sage, who was completely frustrated with young Maruti's mischiefs, gave him a blessing, or should we say a nice curse. So this sage, out of complete kindness and compassion, cursed gently that Hanuman or Maruti would forget his strength until someone reminded him. So for a long time in his life, Maruti lived an ordinary life, like a regular person. Then, after many years, Hanumanji met Lord Rama and his life changed. He found his purpose and remembered his strength while serving Lord Rama with all his heart. Let's go back to his childhood. When Maruti was a baby, one day his parents held a special ceremony called the Annaprashana, where they fed him some grains. He ate a few grains and suddenly he became extremely hungry. His hunger was activated. His loving and kind mother fed him lots of different foods and fruits, but he was still hungry. In fact, even sage Narad Muni came to him with different kinds of fruits to feed him. Even then, little Maruti's hunger was insatiable. He felt more and more hungry. Little Maruti did not want to trouble his mother, so he stopped asking for food, but he was still very, very hungry. One day he saw the sun in the sky and thought it was a big ripe fruit. He jumped up and flew towards it to try and eat it up. This scared the planets which were going about their duty of orbiting around the sun, and they quickly moved out of his way. This played havoc with the concept of time across all planets, especially the Earth. When the universe plunged into darkness, there was chaos and confusion. The rishis and the devatas were confused, people on Earth got scared, and a lot of things got destroyed. This made Indra, the king of gods, extremely angry and furious. He had to save the sun and the universe. He saw this audacious act by Hanuman and struck him with his thunderbolt, the Vajra. The impact was so intense that it knocked Hanuman unconscious. His father Vayu, the wind god, was furious. He withdrew all the air from the universe, causing everyone to gasp for breath. The world was in chaos and everyone was suffering. To appease Vayu and to save the universe, the gods, the devatas, gathered and pleaded for his forgiveness. They realized that Hanuman had divine power and injustice had been done to him. To restore balance and bring back air, they bestowed upon Hanuman incredible blessings: immortality, immunity from fire, super intelligence, a healing touch, and a body as strong as Indra's thunderbolt. And that's how he got the name Bajrangi. Thus Hanuman got his name Bajrangi, telling us that he has immense strength. But it's not just about strength, it's also about being humble and serving others. Hanuman teaches us to be strong and also kind. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you liked it, please do give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel. We will explore more such interesting stories in our forthcoming videos. Bye.